napakalaking treat po sa amin on a Monday to hear all of you. I guess the first question on everybody's mind, kailan mo kayo huling nagsama-sama before Love Sessionistas for Valentine's was conceptualized, I'm sure by alam mo naman ang Mr. and Mrs. ng Fire and Ice. Kailan yung huli at paano na-conceptualize pag i-reunite na ulit kayo?
Kahapon lang.
Ang bilis mo yun.
Bilis na bilis ng pangyayari. Seriously, I think the last time talaga nagkasama-sama kami was 2015. March, no, of 2015. Yeah, bro. Medyo matagal na po.
10 years.
Yes. So, there was a plan actually noong 2019 na mag-hold kami ng something like this, ng concert. I actually messaged everybody na sabi ko, guys, okay ba kayo na mag-ano? Kasi parang, tara, miss ko na sila makasamang tumugtog. So, nag-game naman sila. Kasi nag-pandemic. Diba? Nag-pandemic yun eh. So talaga, meron na kaming, nakausap ko na yung, may venue na kami kinakausap, meron na kaming kausap na production, na stage designer, everything. Kaso biglang nag-pandemic. Kung natuloy yun, this was supposed to be Fire and Ice's first show. But it didn't happen because of the pandemic. So, na-move siya hanggang sa daming nangyari sa mga buhay ng isa't isa. And then, I don't know how the conversation parang started again. But,
Ikaw, sa'yo nang galing.
Ako rin ba?
Oo, tapos umuulan kami.
Ikaw naman siya.
Siyempre.
Siya may panganak.
Yes, thank you, Ice.
Salamat, Ice.
Kasi after nung series niya ng video kay Hit, sabi, ano gagawin ko na next? Balikan natin.
Pero sobrang namiss ko silang kasama talaga.
Yeah, at some point naman during those 10 years, may mga nagkakasama-sama sa amin in shows, lalo na nung benefit na si Congrats. Yung si Princess.
Then yung anniversary ko yun.
Sorry.
Benefit kasi, kumanta kayo for free.
Tama, sorry. Basta yung mga ganong klase ba, na may mga tugtog kami, tapos bibisitin. Kasi hindi naman siguro secret na bukod sa magkakatrabaho kayo, we're very, very good friends. So whenever we have something, teatro, nung nagteatro si Ice, andyan tong mga to, nanood. So, hindi talaga maiwasan na pagka, magkita-kita ulit, kailan tayo mag-show ulit. Because we're so used to playing with each other, singing with each other. As you can see kanina, wala namang talagang pinagplanuhan dun sa mga but everyone was singing along while someone was singing in front. So, ayun, ikaw naman.
Hindi na sila natituloy.
Ganun din ba yung magiging setup of the concert? Kasi we love how everybody just knows everybody, tapos biglang sisingit na lang. Pero, syempre pag Valentine's, romantic. Pero para ba ito sa mga couples o sa magbabarkada tulad ninyo? That's my last question. For Valentine.
It's for, kasi kahit Valentine's Day naman, may universal love tayong tinatawag di ba? There's romantic love. Of course, we have that covered already. But there are other kinds of love that we want to celebrate then during this show. And kaya nga, ang sarap din na magkakasama kaming pito kasi we're celebrating our friendship as well. That has, withstood the test of time.
Nice.
Hindi, tagal na rin naman talaga. So, ang sarap lang na, alam mo yun, we're singing about love, we're singing about friendship, we're singing about all these amazing things. And there's nothing, alam mo yun, nothing feels better than singing it with your friends.
Yes.
Na nasa tono. Nasa tono. Grabe yung pagtulak mo, Joris.
Sorry,
Mahulog ako.
gusto ko lang sanang i-add to your question. Yes, it's going to be like that. Kasi, yun nga, we're so used to like playing off each other's mga, yung sasagot-sagot, gano'n. So it's gonna be like that. But it's, of course, it's gonna be more organized, more prepared. Kasi talagang, we're really trying to make a really good show. So yung alam na namin gawin, which is to complement each other, i-harness na lang namin ng preparation. And we have so many nice surprises for you guys. Yung mga, kakarating lang ng mga study, ng mga arrangement, it's so nice. So,
Magkukubadjigiyas.
Yan.
You should add what? Hindi, ako add ko lang din, parang, kasi nag-gets ko yung parang, yung tanongan ni ma'am na, ano ba siya, like Valentine's, ganito. Parang treat siya for everyone eh. Basta, ang ano dito is, kumbaga love is the answer dito sa show na to eh. Yung music, yung camaraderie namin, di ba? Pero, we'll make sure na lahat ng kakantahin namin dito sa concert na to i-interpret namin or i-deliver namin ng kung ano talaga yung kahulugan sa bawat pag-ibig na nandun sa mga kanta na yun. So, ayun lang.
Good answer.
Thank you.
But it, for me, it's a treat for everyone, but it's actually also a treat for me because I will be able to perform with these guys again.
No! Well put. Well said, Julie.
Thank you.